Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to verify PayPal account. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your PayPal account. Once you end up over here, let me show you what PayPal actually say about verifying account. How you can find that, just click on help and it will take you right over here and easily you can search for verify. So search for verify, you will see this one. How do I verify my PayPal account, which we are looking for, right? So if we see this line over here that it says to get verified, go to your account to add and confirm your bank account, or if you prefer, add and confirm your debit or credit card. So as you may know that a lot of platforms ask for email addresses and even phone numbers for verification, but in PayPal case they are asking for your bank account. Obviously they will ask you once you start logging in on your PayPal or signing up on your PayPal, they will ask you all those stuff, but this is very important. And this is how you can verify your account. How you can do that, you can easily click one of them, obviously, or you can just click on wallet. It will take you right over here. And here you can see that you can easily link your bank account from over here. And it's a very easy process. If you click on this, as you can see, we have both credit card and bank account. You can go ahead and choose any one of them and it will require you, obviously, verify, right? So what you need to do, just click on this option, let's say, and enter your account number and every single detail over here. Once you enter that, they will send you on the number or your phone number which you have already given to PayPal. They will send you a code through a SMS and they might some deduct your money from your account also. But it will return after 5 days. Why they are taking actually because of, for security reasons that your bank account is valid or not. The only reason. Otherwise, they wouldn't do that. After that, after 5 or 6 days, maybe they will ask for that code which they have given to your SMS, and you need to put that over here. You will see something here that you need to enter your passcode so you can verify your account and also your bank account. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to verify your PayPal account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.